So we went over to this other camp spot and it was clear. I checked it all day and a little sandy but packed. But Amelia, better yet, my truck probably is the issue. With the weight, I got dug into the sand and had to get pulled out. What do you know? I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. I'm putting on my shoes. But nice couple let us out. They pulled us out. But we now have to get the actual camper. Ta-da! That was the rut I was in. This hard pack sand went loosey-goosey. Truck's over there. It's out. This will be a task. You're up for this?
Yes, my idea.
Alrighty. You see that view?
It's pretty awesome.
That's a view that takes an hour and a half to earn.
Yep, we got stuck.
So we just experienced us getting stuck pretty much for the first time here at Magnolia Beach. We moved from a nice hard-packed, oyster-shelled, hard, nice shelled beach to the sand and seashells. And this is one of a few actual true seashell beaches in the world. Magnolia Beach in Texas. But we got pulled out. I was able to at least disconnect the trailer from the truck, the chains and everything. I had to dig and dig and dig.
The truck was very stuck.
Yeah, I put on both of my wheel chocks and they just dug like a shovel. We weren't even halfway stuck until I put those in and got just dug. So I'm never doing that again in the sand. And really it's because we pulled up and there was someone at this spot. So we tried over here. I'll show you. You see those ruts? That's what people can get stuck in. Now, I know some of y'all are like, well, yeah, that can happen, but look how deep. That is where we got stuck, by this weird statue. I'm just gonna let him walk over here and show you the statue too. But thank you,
Mike and Megan.
yeah, thank you, Mike
They
and
were
Megan.
hanging out over here and they saw that we were in a bit of a predicament and offered to come pull us out, and thankfully he had a 4x4 truck and
Yeah,
surprisingly got our truck out
yeah.
and then pulled the trailer out too. So
Yeah, I
thank
mean,
you so much.
Yeah, y'all are a blessing. This is like their family spot where they come and chill. So hopefully we run into him again, because great guy, local, and you know, I debated back and forth 4x4, 2-wheel, 4x4, 2-wheel. You know, I'm still happy with my 2-wheel. It's gotten us in the swamp. We've gotten all kinds of places. This is just one of those times with this loose sand. Probably should have known better, but was going to give it a try. So, add to the joy of moving spots. So this is some weird statue that is a little mermaid, but her arm's been broken and repaired, holding the seashell. Pretty funny to have out here in the middle of nowhere. But this is where we're at. It's absolutely gorgeous. There's barely anybody here. I mean, where we were at before it was. We have our own private beach here for the next, what, 4 days?
Yeah.
4 or 5 days.
4 days.
And then over here's the marsh and lakeland, and I think there's some piers that go out to where you can see some birds. But yeah, fun, joyous adventure. Yeah, but fun, joyous voyage here to Magnolia Beach.
Yeah, we would definitely come back here and stay for the free camping. It's just beautiful.
Yeah, this place is great. Kind of has a ranch beach vibe, old Texas, like 80s beach. I guess a lot of these are vacation houses, so there's just not a lot of activity out here, and that's how we like it. But we'll be out here until probably Monday. So what's today? Wednesday?
Yeah.
Wednesday, so Thursday, Friday, yeah. So it's gonna be fun. We're gonna be doing a lot more hanging out, grilling shrimp. We had shrimp Alfredo and some wine last night, as y'all have already seen. And now we're gonna get this campfire started. So do I leave this footage in where I'm just talking and not realizing that I'm talking into a microphone? What do you think, Corey? Should I leave it?
I can't wait to watch this back.
So usually when I'm showing y'all stuff, I'll put the microphone right here so you get the best quality voice. And so I think I was walking and talking. I don't know. We'll have to see. This has been a crazy evening, y'all. We're just happy it's over with, and we're at our spot, our sunrise. It's really what happened. Here, let me put this mic down. What happened was we couldn't see the sunrise in the morning. We were around this other side of.
I really wanted to. So this whole thing was my idea to move the rig and everything, but Daniel wouldn't have done it had he not want to see the sunrise also.
Yes.
So.
And they have a campfire right there on the beach. That's what I want at night. Tomorrow's supposed to be 72 degrees, and then next day 74 degrees. This is what I was looking for.
Yeah, it's about 66 right now.
Yeah.
Maybe a little chillier, but
It's still gorgeous.
not been bad.
This is great.
I mean, you see Daniel's in a t-shirt.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Take it easy. Go on the road.
See ya.
All right, so if anybody wanted to know what didn't get me out of the sun, out of the sand, it was these right here. Track grabber. They worked awesome in clay and some Georgia wet dirt. Got me out of Shane's one time with my. He's watching. he's let me put my truck on his property while we're on this, my other F-150 red truck. And we had that silted, it was raining, and it got slid down into a little pivot where we put it on the other side of the garage. And so I got these on, and it got me right out of here. But those do not work in sand at all. But pretty much all you have to do with these when you do get them, and they are worth it, like I said, just not in sand. Start right above here, slide the belt in through first, because you want that coming to you, because then you're going to tighten it and then loop back around tight. And I put both of those on, but what it did is it acted as a shovel, and it just shoveled the sand. It was that loose. This is seashell sand, so parts of it are compact, but then some parts just, you know, just keeps going, and you only find those spots, I guess, by luck. But that's just for anyone who cared, I guess, you know, anyone who is driving out there in the RV world. Those helped me. They were cheap. They didn't cost too much. I know you're saying they were cheap, so they didn't work, but they have worked, just not in the sand. But anyways, just wanted to share.